Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Coinbase is a popular cryptocurrency exchange and platform that allows individuals to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. It serves as an accessible entry point for people looking to enter the world of cryptocurrencies, providing user-friendly tools and a secure platform for managing digital assets. There are several ways to potentially make money on Coinbase. But it's important to note that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, and you should be prepared to both gain and lose money. Here are some common strategies for making money on Coinbase. 1. Buy and hold HODL. Purchase cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum and hold onto them for an extended period, hoping that their value will increase over time. 2. Trading. Actively trade cryptocurrencies by buying low and selling high. This involves studying market trends, technical analysis, and staying informed about news that may affect prices. 3. Day trading. Engage in short-term trading where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies within the same day. Day trading requires significant time, expertise, and a risk-tolerant mindset. 4. Swing trading. Hold onto cryptocurrencies for several days or weeks to capture price swings, aiming to profit from short to medium-term price movements. 5. Staking and earning rewards. Some cryptocurrencies allow you to stake your holdings or participate in various DeFi protocols to earn rewards or interest on your assets. 6. Yield farming. Participate in decentralized finance DeFi platforms on Coinbase or other exchanges to provide liquidity in exchange for earning rewards or fees. 7. Initial coin offerings ICOs and initial exchange offerings IEOs. Invest in new cryptocurrency projects through ICOs or IEOs, but be cautious, as these can be highly speculative and risky. 8. Educational and informational content. Create and share educational content about cryptocurrencies, trading strategies, or investing, and potentially earn money through affiliate marketing or content monetization. 9. Coinbase Earn. Participate in Coinbase Earn programs where you can learn about specific cryptocurrencies and earn them for free as a reward for your knowledge. 10. Long-term investment strategies. Diversify your portfolio, conduct research, and make informed decisions to hold a variety of cryptocurrencies and tokens for potential long-term growth.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.